What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the videos. Today we're going to be installing some spark plugs on the Golf R just because they're a little bit overdue. So I'm eating yogurt, by the way. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and upgrade these guys. I'm on the stock OEM plugs right now, but we have a set of Brisk ER12 silvers. This is what my tuner recommended me, so thank you, Alex. We'll go ahead and get these guys installed, and hopefully car will run a bit smoother. Fucking love yogurt, bro. But yeah, let's go ahead and get working on it. So tools that you're gonna need, it's gonna need a 10mm socket. You're also gonna need this guy right here. This is a 5/8 spark plug socket. I picked this up from Harbor Freight. It's pretty cheap. It's like $2.99. And then we have the spark plugs. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna use this tool right here from AutoZone, and we're gonna check out all the gaps on the plugs. Perfect. All the gaps on the spark plugs are good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and get the stock ignition coils out, take out the old spark plugs, put the new ones in. So we're gonna start by putting on these gloves. The engine has been cooling off for a while, but it's still pretty damn hot in there. So we'll go ahead and grab this, grab our 10mm right here. These are 10mm. You're gonna remove these nuts off. Come off fairly easily, so you can just slide them. I'm just take off one glove because I'm scared of small nuts falling down. Yeah. You can remove these grounds and place them aside. Wow, it is really hot in here. Holy crap. Let's see if I can loosen these guys up.
One eternity later.
There we go, finally. Holy crap. Coil pack harnesses are finally out. We're gonna remove the bolts that hold them in. So I'm just gonna put this on the extender real quick. Oh my god, that took forever. Alright, those are out. We're gonna go ahead and remove the coil packs now. These are a bit tricky. There's a little rubber boot on them. You want to be really careful not to tear that or to get it stuck in here when you're lifting these guys out. But go ahead and remove this harness out of the way. There we go, first one out. And I'm gonna just do these one by one so that no dirt gets into the rest of the other parts. And then, oh wow, that is in there. Holy crap. Okay. There we go. Cylinder one, not too bad. There is a little white on the electrode, but let's go ahead and get this spark plug in. So don't tighten it all the way yet because you still have to torque these down, but that's good to go. And I think we need to set these to 30 Newton meters of torque, so we'll go ahead and get that set up. Lock this, take my adapter, put it on here, and then torque this down to 30. Awesome, so that's in. Now we take this coil pack, make sure it's snug. That's the first one, so we'll go and finish off all the rest of them. This one's a bit trickier, I guess, because there's a big ass wire in the way. But it's my glove. Second one out. Wow, this one's fairly clean. Not too much oil on it, pretty damn dry. Nice. So this is on the second one, right there. And tighten it in. Nice and snug. Same thing like last time. Put it onto our torque wrench. Then take your coil pack, pop her right back in. 2 down, 2 more to go. This one has a bunch of wires around them, holy crap. just come out some way. This one's dry too. That's really good. I'm impressed. Wow. Those 3 are out. Last one to come out now. Let's go. Almost forgot we didn't put in a new one. Here is a new one. Nice and clean. Put on my gloves and get this bad boy in there. Same thing. Stick a damn tube. Tighten. Take the ignition coil. Flop it back in. 3 down, 1 left to go. Ooh, this one is a weird position because it's covered by all this. Let me see if I can leverage my fingers to the back. Lay this down here. Take our tool. Click. Switch our position. And down in the rabbit hole it goes. Kind of looks like that one amusement ride where, like, you know, you're all on that big mushroom swing thing and it's just swinging around. Dry too. Only a little bit of oil on the first one, so not too much of a problem. All these, there's not too much white stuff going on besides on the third and fourth one. Then again, it's more of like a brownish tint too, so it's not burning way too hot or anything like that. Looks decent, I would say. But enough talking. Get the last spark plug in, start her up. Hopefully she starts. Should be good to go. Here we are. Sick. Pick up your torque wrench. Final time. Torque these down. They're good to go. And now piecing everything back together. Ignition coil. I'll make sure that these are all firmly in. All right, now you're gonna take this harness, put it back down, click and click. Home stretch, boys, home stretch. Oh, take this, your 10 mil right here, these bolts, slide them back in. Man, my fingertips hurt so much from taking these darn clips off, bro. My knees are hurting. It's a really weird position because when I'm standing, like, you know, the coils are over there. I'm a short guy, so in order to like reach over, my knees are like pressing against the bumper and I gotta support myself like this. It's a really awkward position to be working on this car, but what can you do when you're short, right? I'll take these grounds, carefully place them back on. Wow, I'm excited. We're almost there. I'll take these nuts and we're just gonna screw them on top. And nothing was broken in the process of doing this, which I'm happy about. I mean, well, fingers crossed, nothing's broken. Once we start it up, we'll hear, hopefully she idles fine and everything like that. And it sounds like I hear a Subi over there. Ah, of course, Mr. Brandon. Alright, tighten these guys up. And we're all done. That's it. I'm gonna make sure that these are tight one more time. What's good, Chief? Okay. And then now we get to start it. Please be okay, please be okay, please be okay. Ah! No weird sounds from the front? From the back sounds good. Looks like we're good to go. I'm just gonna let it sit. Yeah, that one has oil for some reason, more like the front half. Yeah. But yeah, looks like it's good to go. And that is how you do spark plugs on a Mark 7 Golf R, I guess. Valve cover back on. This. Oh, this is yours, by the way. Yeah. and let's take it on a drive. What? Oh, shout out to Saturn! We're gonna wait for it to warm up, and we'll do a couple of pulls to see if it pulls good. Made it to the gas station in one piece.